Hello guys, back again with another video. So now this is a continuation to a video that I released earlier where I showed you how to install Metasploitable3 a Linux machine inside your VirtualBox. So now here I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server machine inside your VirtualBox. So still it is the same scenario. When you go to the GitHub of Metasploitable3, you have to install a couple of softwares onto your machine where you need Packer, Vagrant, VirtualBox. We have Vagrant Reload plugin so that you are able to generate and you'll be able to run a couple of scripts for you to compile those images. So now here I saw it was a bit harder for people to come up, generate or install those softwares, and also if your internet is slow it may take a lot of time. So go on inside the description. I'm going to provide a torrent link. Now for this torrent link you'll be able to download this Windows Server directly where you'll be able to get a OVA. So in case you have, let's say, any torrent, let's say like you get QB torrent, if you tap to that torrent you will see that you download a file here. So now when we come here you see that let me just activate this. If you hover around this you see that this is a OVA file inside that file. So now this one, it is in around like 6.7 GB the storage is here. So where the earlier operating system you installed inside your machine, which was a Linux machine, it was 2.7 GB. So first download this and proceed to installation. So let me just cancel this because I already have this installed inside my system. So now if we come here to a folder or the location where the files you've downloaded from that torrent have been saved, you will see that you have 3 files. Here this ends with a .sqlite and this one it is .xml, but this is what we need ending with a .lva. So as usual, double tap to it. It's going to open up our VirtualBox and we are going to import this machine inside our virtual environment. So now also this one has opened up. We see here this is Windows 8 64-bit and this is the name Metasploitable3 Win2K8. I guess that means this is a Windows machine. Also here if we see the RAM, now here they are giving it like 7 GB, of which I don't have that inside my machine. I already have the capacity of this, but I'm using this machine to do lots of data. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to give it 1024, that is 1 GB. I'll only be using this for attacks and I'll be deactivating it. So when we come here, I'm going to also change my location, but if you have space on your primary location you can just do finish, but I don't have space. I'm going to save this to my external drive. So click to other. I'm going to tap on my external drive and I'm going to tap on VirtualBox and I'm going to say open. So I've set another location where I'll be saving this file and I'm going to say finish. We start importing our machine inside the VirtualBox. As usual, let's give it a couple of minutes and we finish our importing. Our machine has been installed. Let us also try to change the networks here. I'm going to provide bridged adapter WLAN 0 and also I'm going to change this to our NAT network. Okay, let me change this again. Bridged adapter WLAN 0. So still here it has failed. Okay, let me proceed with this. We see whether we may not get any error. So as our machine is powering up, yeah, we are getting an error. So let me just close this and we come back. We change this. So let me close this, come here, or let me first give it NAT, do OK, then let me give it bridged adapter 1 and 0, okay, so that it gets internet from my router. This time when we do start, we are going to log in to our Windows machine. So the same thing to our Linux machine, also the username and password, they are going to be Vagrant. So press enter. So our Windows, it is loading. We give it a couple of seconds. We provide, we are going to use the username called Vagrant. Also we use a password for Vagrant to log in inside our Windows machine. And if we are done here, it means if you are able to allocate your IP address of this machine to a network, you can proceed with your enumeration, exploitation, and also post exploitation. So our server is loading. I can maximize so that we can go to a full screen. Now here they say press Ctrl Alt Delete to log on. Just come here to input, keyboard, and come here to Ctrl Alt Delete. Now if we pass in that argument, just come here, click on Vagrant. Now in the previous series that I'll be putting out, I'll show you how you can also perform privilege escalation, where we shall get access to our administrator. So let's just choose Vagrant, and also our password is going to be Vagrant. So now if you see our Windows machine, it is running. I can switch to a full screen mode where you can press Ctrl F to go to your full screen mode, and you can also press the same keys to move outside of your full screen mode. So preparing your desktop. After we get access, we are going to open up our CMD, then we find our IP address. So it is going to our full screen mode. Press Windows R onto your keyboard to open up the run. Here we are going to search for our CMD. Now inside our CMD, we are going to say IP config. In Linux it is ifconfig. Now here we have this one, 192.168.43.39. that is also one network, and also there is this one, it is 10.0.3.15. that is also a network. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up so that it could be shared to other friends that may be interested into this, and also have a great day. Peace.